Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove green screen on CapCut PC. This is one of the most useful editing tricks to learn, especially if you create reaction videos, gaming content, talking head videos, tutorials, product videos, or social media content where you want your subject to appear on a different background. If you have a video with a solid green background and you want to make that background completely transparent, CapCut makes the process very fast and simple. You do not need complicated editing software for this. As long as your green screen is clear and your subject is properly visible, CapCut can remove the background in just a few steps. This is a great technique for placing your subject over another video, image, or scene. And the good news is that you can do it with CapCut's built-in chroma key tool in just a few clicks. For example, you can place yourself in front of gameplay, a presentation slide, a cinematic background, a product showcase, or any custom scene you want to use in your video. To begin, make sure your green screen footage is placed on a track directly above your main background video in the timeline. This is important because once the green background is removed, the clip underneath will be visible through the transparent areas. Think of it like stacking two layers, with the green screen clip on top and the background video underneath. If your clips are not layered this way, you won't be able to see the final effect properly. If the green screen clip is below the background clip, the background may cover it, or the transparent area may not show what you want. So before using the chroma key, always check that your timeline layers are in the correct order. Next, click on the green screen clip so it's highlighted. Then, move to the top right Properties panel. Click on Video and select Remove BG. This is where CapCut gives you the tools needed to remove the solid background color from your footage. Make sure the correct green screen clip is selected, because the settings you change here will apply only to the selected clip. Once you're in that section, find the chroma key option and click the checkbox to turn it on. This activates the green screen removal feature. Chroma key works by selecting one specific color, usually green, and making that color transparent so the layer underneath can show through. After that, click on the small color picker eyedropper icon. Your cursor will let you sample a color directly from the preview window. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which shade of green you want to remove from the clip. Move it over to the center player screen and click on any green area in the background of your video. Try to choose a clean, evenly lit part of the green screen for the best results. Avoid clicking on shadows, dark green corners, or areas too close to your subject, because those spots can give CapCut a less accurate color sample. After sampling the green color, go just below the eyedropper and drag the strength slider to the right. As you increase it, watch the preview carefully. You should see the green background disappear almost instantly. Move the slider slowly so you can see exactly when the background becomes transparent. This is the main adjustment that controls how aggressively CapCut removes the selected color, so move it until the green is fully gone without affecting your subject too much. If the strength is too low, some green may still remain. If it is too high, parts of your subject, clothing, hair, or edges may start to disappear, especially if they have similar green tones. If you notice any soft, green outlines or fuzzy edges around your subject, use the shadow slider to clean that up. Drag it upward to around 50 to help smooth the edges and reduce that leftover green spill. This is especially helpful around hair, shoulders, hands, or small details where green light may reflect onto the subject. This gives your subject a cleaner and more natural cutout. At this point, your green screen should be completely removed, and your background clip will show through clearly. If the result still looks rough, you can slightly adjust the strength and shadow sliders again until the subject blends better with the new background. That's the quickest way to get a clean background removal using CapCut's automated chroma key tool. You're all set, and you're done. Now you can use this same method anytime you want to replace a green screen background and create a more professional looking video inside CapCut PC.